So this is my 13. I did the LED conversion and the license plate with the tinted cover there. And then I also tinted the lights. Can't really tell in the dark, but that's the side marker there. So it tints them. So daytime, and I also did the LED conversion inside. I think it just looks way more modern and just brightens up the whole car and just looks way better. And then here's the front lights. And the markers are tinted also. So as you can tell, they're definitely darker, but not enough to get on the fence. I would definitely do it. I mean, not bad. I'll turn my lights on here so you guys can see from the outside what they look like and the running lights. So this is what the obviously the rear, and then do the headlights for you. So headlights, they're still bright. I mean, as you see, it shine up my driveway. It's still bright. Not bad. Side markers, still see them, but in the daytime they're all tinted. So that miscolored, look is not. That's it. Just want to show you guys the LEDs again. Just show you a very easy job to do. The tint was a little bit difficult, but take some time and do it slowly. You can get it done, but that's it for now. Bye.